Did you know that on the driving test, the biggest cause of failure is observation at junctions? And part of that biggest failure, which has been the same for pretty much 20 years now, is people driving across crossroads without even recognizing that they're there. But if we're looking for the road markings, the double broken white lines, the triangles, we'll know there's one coming up before we actually get there. Learning to drive in Telford, Constitution Hill is one of the ones you may come across. With junctions, you've got to think, are there 4 Bs or a V? Buildings, bushes, brickwork, bends, or vehicles? Now, as you can see as we approach, we do have buildings and bushes. We do have brickwork, so we know it's a closed junction. So at this point, we can't see what's coming from either direction until we're actually right up at this white line. But even then, if you notice, our view is restricted on the left. You can't see what's coming past the car and how quickly as we look around to the right. This time there's no vehicles there, but normally where those double yellow lines end, there are cars parked up to that point. So are there buildings, bushes, brickwork? Yes. Do we have vehicles? Yes. So even if we come up to the line, look, we can't see what's coming from either direction. Because here the bushes are hiding everything. We've got a vehicle coming down now, which again we can't see till the last second. So what we have to do is peep and creep, so we can see a bit further down. We're looking back round, we still can't see past that vehicle. So again, we come out into the middle, we start to turn. If anything's there, we would stop at this point. They could get past us. However, it is clear, so we're okay to carry on down. You can't even see what's coming down the road from this side. So all you can do in this case is peep and creep slowly out until we can see what's coming up the road, and then if it's still clear in all directions, we can go. Coming up to the same crossroads, but from this side, again, we've got the same issue of the wall and the traffic. This side, we've got brickwork and fencing, so we can't see. And even when we get to the line, it only just opens up at that point, so we can see in all 3 directions that we can go. So another classic example of a crossroads ahead of us that has no signs saying there's one coming up, but we can see the street marker opposite, the road sign. We've got the double broken white lines again. Now, if you're going straight ahead at crossroads, to determine your position, you need to look at the road opposite. And as we look at the road opposite at this point, we can see it's actually offset. So if we stay by the centre white line, it's going to be very easy to come up in this position, which you can see is absolutely wrong for the road opposite. So the key is look ahead at the road that you're going into, and that's going to determine your position. It's a closed junction to the right and the left. And remember, minimum observation at crossroads is right ahead, left ahead, right. So we come up to the line, we can see we've got a good view to the right, a good view ahead, and a good view to the left. So we know it would be safe to go. We just need to make sure that we get our road positioning correct, because as you can see, if not, we're already looking as if we're going onto the wrong side of the road.